In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $35,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so I started this challenge from the first month, okay, of this year 2024, as you can see, okay, until today, okay, March 2024. Let's update this page, and here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers, okay, and it took me just 3 months to earn this commission. So in today's video, guys, I will share with you my method. I will share with you which affiliate link I'm promoting on YouTube. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, I will share with you some great and new methods that you can start using to start making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, and as you can see in my balance, I have $11,250 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who want to start affiliate marketing, so what you will do first, go to your Google homepage and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. Okay, after you finish, just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money. It's the best profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, so from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start, okay, because they are paying good commission. Okay, so what you will do is just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do first, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, they will ask you, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Okay, so that's it. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable and interesting services that people are searching for on YouTube that you will promote to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, just open your YouTube homepage, click over here on the search and ask questions. So for example, I will ask how to, let's say for example, how to grow YouTube, and here you go. YouTube, just ask any question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to grow YouTube channel, how to grow YouTube channel 2024, how to grow YouTube shorts channel. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to grow YouTube channels, they will be interested. You will go back to your Fiverr homepage. They will be interested to buy this service. Click on the search for grow YouTube channel services. Okay, search for grow YouTube channel, scroll down, and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers, they are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one. This one is really looking good. It is top rated seller, 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will review your YouTube channel and help you grow organically. So this one is good seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to copy his profile link like this, and you need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? So what you will do, before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. This seller has a video. Let's check.
Are you a small YouTuber struggling to grow your channel? Do you spend a lot of time and energy making videos but don't see any organic growth and you don't?
This seller is a really good seller. He is explaining his service to his customers by this video, and this video can convert to sales, okay? This video can get sales because this seller is explaining his service, and that's really good. So what you will do, you will just double click on the video and you will click on save video, okay? You need to save this video to your laptop, okay? Save video. I'm gonna name this video grow YouTube, okay? I will click on save. After you do that, what you need to do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Canva, okay? Search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. It's for free and the sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next, you just need to click over here on upload and click on upload file and just upload this video, okay? Upload this video to your Canva account like this, and here you go. Click on your video. Your video will be over here.
Are you a small YouTuber struggling to...
Click over here on this 3 point and click on set the video as background, okay, like this. What you need to do next, click on text over here, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text style. Your text style will be here. I will delete this one here and I will keep using just this one. You can decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click on your text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and people who will watch this video, they will see this sentence here: check link in my description, okay? What you will do next, click on elements, scroll down, go to ship and choose this one. Click over here on color, click on black color, okay? Click on this ship like this and put this ship behind your text like this, okay? And here you go, okay? To make it looks good, okay? Check link in my description, okay? That's it. Let's check now.
Are you a small YouTuber struggling to grow your channel? Do you spend a lot of time and energy making videos but don't see any organic growth and you don't know why? Hey, I'm here to help. My name is Ikira and I'm a full-time YouTuber. My Russian
This seller is a really good one. So what you will do, you just need to click on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop and that's it, okay? After you finish, go to your YouTube channel, okay? And open your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel and use this use those keywords. So let me show you how to grow YouTube channel, okay? Use, for example, this one, okay? How to grow YouTube channel 2024. Use the same title, don't change or add anything, okay? Just copy and paste this title and use this title for your video, okay? So people who are using this keyword, who are searching for how to grow YouTube channel 2024, they will find your video in YouTube search results and they will click on your video, watch your video. They will see, check this one, check link in description, and what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account You will copy your affiliate link from here and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. They will watch your video, they will go to your YouTube description, check your YouTube description, they will click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page over here on Fiverr. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. And that's it. It's simple and it's easy, but it need consistency and hard work, and keep searching for more services that people are searching for on YouTube, okay? Because so this service is related to YouTube. People who just started YouTube, they want to grow their YouTube channels, get more subscribers, more views, and they will be interested to buy this service, okay? So and why I choose YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? Okay, that's a really big number, guys. Okay, 30 billion monthly visitors. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and people every day, millions of visitors using YouTube every single day, searching for specific services, products, and so much more. And you should start using YouTube to promote your affiliate link if you want to earn some commission, okay? And that's it. So for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put this affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link in my description below, okay, for a video that I already uploaded in my YouTube channel showing you step by step how we can do it, okay? So just check the video and follow those steps, and that's it. So if this video is helpful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and that's it. Stay consistent, keep improving, and you will make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you, and see you in my next video.